Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Zacconi espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to first get the machine hot, which it wasn't doing, it was just not turning on, and that's because this little fuse right here, this one, you can kind of notice it, this little fuse was just blown out and it was not letting any electricity pass through here and here. So we had to replace that. Once we had the machine powering on and heating up, we noticed that the pressure stat was actually causing the machine to overheat. This gauge over here will go all the way into the red zone, and sometimes it will just stop or sometimes it will just go straight into the red zone. So it was definitely overheating, which is really bad for these machines, especially because they have a lot of gaskets all around the entire machine itself. All these little parts that you see right here basically are all the gaskets that we had to replace coming out from this machine. This lever was really stiff. It was super hard to push up and down. It was really hard. We disassembled the entire thing, deep clean everything, polish it, put it all back together, replace the gaskets. These ones that you see right here, they were the older ones. We replaced the group head gasket, we deep clean everything inside, put it back together, and now it's just smoothly. This lever goes up and down smoothly the way it's supposed to, working nice and pretty. Unfortunately for the pressure stat though, we had to replace this whole valve itself. This one was not getting inside, it was not making a good seal in here. It was leaving a few little spaces through the entire thing, and we had to replace it. Unfortunately, it was just not making a good seal over here. It was leaking steam. We had to replace the entire gauge itself. We replaced the pressure stat, definitely. Replaced the gasket that I told you. We replaced the gaskets of the side glass itself, the gauge, and we also replaced the side glass of the machine as well. So yeah, that's all the work that we did with this machine. It's quite a lot. We also polish it, and we have been checking the machine to make sure there's not any leaks or anything coming out from the group head or any other place. And the machine is being stable at the same temperature. It's not overheating. It's just doing great and not leaking steam. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing out this espresso machine. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. These machines do require to have a nice perfect ground over here. You need to really pack this portafilter properly, otherwise when you raise this lever, all that pressure inside the boiler is gonna shoot straight into the portafilter, and you're just gonna have a big sneeze over here or just a lot of coffee going through the entire thing. So you have to make sure you have this coffee dialed into this machine, otherwise you will see, just like I said, drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. With the lever over here, we have the boiler completely open. Water will come through this little chamber, and now we can just start. Nice shot of espresso. I probably need to use a much finer grind to get that perfect crema. We got a nice quantity as well of coffee. See right here, and a nice little crema, classic Italian espresso. Steam for this machine, we're gonna be testing it out as well. You can see, nice and powerful, excellent steam coming out of the machine. Knob is very easy to open or close as well. Working excellent. Really good pressure coming out of the one. Excellent pressure. Smelling great. So there you have it, Zacconi working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.